Boys and girls, yesterday we watched a video and we used a paper that really helped us to think about uh, the main idea of a thing. So it's a really important skill, but sometimes you guys know this. You've watched a video or you've read a book. It's kind of like there's not really one main thing that they're explaining. They're sort of talking about a lot of different ideas, and they don't really they're kind of about the same thing, but they're not all teaching one exact lesson. So today's video is kind of like that. I want you to get this type of paper. This is the one that has the colored words on it, printed in color. So pause the video if you need to. Go find this paper. We're going to talk about it, and then you'll watch the video. All right, so boys and girls, for this paper, you're just going to choose two of the ideas in the video to draw pictures of. So it's going to be up to you what you choose. Now make sure that you're choosing an idea from the video. So maybe they're showing a picture of children running in a field, and maybe the littlest one has fallen down. Well, a child fell down in a field probably isn't what the video is about. So choose something that's actually there. Maybe the children were running in the field to catch a butterfly, or maybe the children were running in the field to talk about the importance of exercise. Those are the kinds of the things that you need to put in here. Maybe, not just one little silly thing from one of them. So look for some of the bigger ideas, but you don't need to look for one main idea from the whole video.
You ready? Let's go!
Good citizens. Every person is different. We live in different places. We may like different things. But we all have something in common. We are all part of a community. A community is a group of people who live and work together. Everyone in a community is important. We call the people in a community its citizens. Being a good citizen means treating others well. You can be a good citizen by caring for other people. Good citizens are also cooperative. That means they work together to get things done. Being respectful is another way to be a good citizen. It shows the other people in your community that you care about them and think they are important. One way to be respectful is to be patient. You can be patient both in school and outside it. Good citizens try their best, but that doesn't mean they are perfect. We all make mistakes sometimes. What's important is that we are honest. Telling the truth helps show you are responsible. You can be trusted to do the right thing. There are lots of different ways to be a good citizen. So whether you're in school, in town, or even at home with your family, being a good citizen helps make our community a great place to live.
All right, guys, so let's take a look at this picture now. Just like yesterday, put your name on it. And then the title of the video was Good Citizens. And remember, the title is kind of its name. And so just like your first name and your last name each get a capital, both words in this title get a capital. Draw what you saw. So there were a lot of things in that video. Go ahead and choose two of them. Put one in each box. And then this little line right here says label. So of course, we're not studying about butterflies right now. But if you were studying about butterflies and you had drawn a butterfly in the chrysalis up here, you might take your best guess on how to spell chrysalis and write it here. Or if you were studying about habitats and it was talking about some of the different types of shelters that animals used, and maybe it had a picture of a bird's nest, you might draw the bird's nest. And then down here, you do your best to write the word nest to label it. So boys and girls, Put your 2 pictures, label each of your pictures, and then this page is the thing to take a picture of to send me today.